Kag.
Nagme-melt yung snow. Ang ganda dun, no? We're almost there, yes.
I don't know what kind of fruit is this, but it's good.
Yeah, hi.
We survive.
Morning, guys. So, dito kami ngayon sa Taichung Shinwori Station. And we're about to get picked up ngayon sa tour namin. So, yung tour namin ngayon is papunta na ng Nantou. And it's a van na binbook namin from Facebook.
Doon.
Lipat kami sa kabila. Grabe ang lamig ngayon. It's currently 7 degrees.
Yan yung shed.
Okay. Yan yung pick up namin eh. Yan, nasa baba. So, supposedly over there. Clutch naman kami today. Nag-taxi kami kanina mula doon sa hotel papunta dito. Kasi, yung train kasi parang ang layo. Around 30 minutes.
Alright guys, so we are going to Nantou today. We just got picked up from Shinwori Station in Taichung. So we actually found this snow mountain tour from a Facebook group. Actually madami sila and ito yung na-pick namin ni Yos since dalawa lang kami. So we opt for a joiner tour because most of the tour na available are private and wala din kami nakita na snow mountain tour sa Klook. So meron lang kaming first stop sa 7-Eleven to buy some food or mag-bathroom break before heading to the mountain.
Gusto mo kain ka, no? Itlog? Green tea egg?
After 7-Eleven, we hit the road heading to Nantou, and this is where things started going downhill. It went smoothly at first until we reached yung paakyat na road. So our van broke down in the middle of nowhere. Smoke came out, the driver kept checking under the hood, and we're just waiting inside wondering kung paano na to.
Stranded. Hey guys, we are currently stranded dito. I don't know kung saan kami ngayon, pero papunta kami sana ng Nantou. Umuusok yung sasakyan namin, so it's having hard time na umakyat. Ay. Di na yan kaya ha. So, dalawang kasama namin may transfer doon sa may van.
Nanang kita. Buhay ka mo.
Uri ko, pare sa dala mo na ha. Buat tatambay. I do not recommend this company for the tour. Yung driver namin guys, oh. Parang nahihiya yata eh. Hindi siya, ano. Parang nahihiya siya pumunta sa amin. Okay lang po yan. Things like that happens. Kasalanan kasi ni Yos eh.
Kasalanan mo kasi yan.
Kasalanan mo ito.
Patulog ka. Hihili ka pa.
A rescue van came eventually, so me and Yos had to squeeze in with the other tourists. It was a bit awkward since siksikan kami sa loob. But despite that, guess what I saw for the first time in my life? Snow! Real snow! It's not powdering though, but it's still snow!
So, nandito na kami. And, nandito kami sa uphill. However, binababa kami kasi traffic, tsaka ang hirap na umakyat. Yan. And maglalakad na lang kami papunta sa taas.
So we didn't get dropped off sa viewpoint because medyo na traffic. But we walked our way to the viewpoint na lang.
As you can see, yan yung Alpine. There's currently a snow cap dun sa may mountains. And medyo hindi masyado mas snow dito na part. And I guess dapat pa siguro sa tuktok yan. I'm just gonna walk right through it. Tingnan nyo guys mga sasakyan dito. Nilalagyan na lang ng chain kasi makapal yung snow doon sa taas. Yan, yung mga chains. Grabe yung tirik ng araw. Alam nyo guys, 7 degrees dito pero walang usok. Walang usok check dito. Siguro kapag below 5 degrees siguro. So, ito yung ganap dito guys. So, as you can see, may mga snow din dito. Ito yun guys, ang tirik ng araw. Sobrang tirik ng araw ngayon. Ang natutunaw sila. Sige, doon kami pumunta sa taas. Ingat tayo sa ice kasi sa slide ka. Basta feeling mo sa snow?
No, I don't want this. I want the snow that all around you.
After a while, hindi na namin nakita yung mga bagong kasama namin sa tour and we forgot to take their contacts, so we thought maybe they went up to the peak. So we decided na mag-hike. We thought, what could possibly go wrong? And that was the biggest mistake we did. And we didn't realize it was gonna be hours of hiking.
Gago sakit.
Sakit ka lang.
Kag.
So medyo maputik lang dito guys because nagme-melt yung snow. And guys, oh, may mga nakatali na mga chains sa mga ano nila, tires nila. Kasi nga medyo makapal yung snow doon sa taas. Bagong kasama naman kanina sa van, hindi na namin sila makita.
Wala na.
And so hindi namin alam paano sila namin makontak. So kung wala kami mamaya masasakyan, ano, magko-commute na lang tayo.
Yeah.
Yun guys, biscuit gaming lang muna kami ngayon. Gutom na kami. And yung kinain lang namin kanina is yung sa 7-Eleven, which is yung sandwich. Tsaka nagkape lang ako. Sarap. Parang siyang ano.
Biscuit.
Masarap bisco. May ano dito, may emergency dito nangyari. Siguro parang nahilo yata kasi ano altitude sickness, tsaka ang layo kasi around 1 hour pa nalakad pa akyat. So yun guys, kung wala kayo sa kondisyon, please huwag nyo na pilitin.
Do not try this one.
Do not try going uphill, especially if
Hindi, pwede ito sa ano.
oo.
Sa mahihinang nila lang. Magiging kwento ka na lang.
Magiging kwento ka na lang. Pero yun na. Buti na lang talaga is mabilis yung response ng emergency kanina. Malayo pa. Isang oras pa na ka rin. This better be worth it talaga. If hindi, kasalanan ni Diyos. This is all your fault. Gusto talaga mag-snow mountain eh. Siya may pakanan nito. Usok check. Kanina, meron may umuusok na yung breathing namin. So, almost 1 hour na kami naglalakad paakyat, and we still need like around 30 minutes pa na paakyat. We're almost there. Rest na kami konti. Like every 5 minutes na walk, nag-rest. Kasi pa-uphill to yun. Tingnan nyo.
Pagod.
Yan. Pa-uphill yan. Hanggang doon sa dulo.
I'm first, wala kang lakas eh.
wala na lakas. Ano muna?
Kaya na tayo.
Break muna. Ang ganda dun, no? Sa taas. Pero it's like a few more walks. Ang bait ni kuya kanina dun. Binigyan kami ng candy. At least, merong nabibigay pa ng more calories while we going upstairs. Uphill pala, sorry. We're almost there, yes. Let's go.
Kasur yang di kiri, api. Itu sisi kiri, sisi kanan.
We're almost there, guys. Oh my gosh. Meron pa ba? May isang liko pa. Sige. Malapit na. I'm pretty sure malapit na. And guys, medyo pagod na talaga kami. We're currently here. So, I don't know if malapit na yan or malayo pa. Nakaka-altitude sickness na kami sa sobrang taas. Seryoso, nagpapahinga. Pagod na. And we were thinking na sana pwede mag-hitch na lang pababa. Kasi grabe na talaga dito sa taas. Mas masakit na yung ulo namin. Tingnan nyo guys, yung mga dahon, nag-crystallize siya. Tsaka yung parang nagsasound siya ng mga parang bell. It's ringing bells.
At this point, hingal na kami, but I swear, walking through this mountain for the first time felt like it was in a movie. Eventually, our van arrives, so we didn't end up hiking at the very top of the mountain kasi, turns out, our van was supposed to bring us all the way to the top, but no one told us that, so we literally hiked our way up for hours for no reason. Was I annoyed? Yes. Would I do it again? Definitely not.
Hey guys,
Darn kayo.
so ito yung peak na lang na pumuntahan namin. Supposed to doon kami sa pupunta dapat sa may pinaka-taas. Naghintay na kanina yung kasama namin sa van.
We transferred vans again to go to that old England, but this time, the universe gave us Esther.
Yeah.
Quite an experience. Sorry about that.
It was a quite experience. Drop off together with them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay. That'll be perfect, so we don't have to travel back from Shinuri going to our hotel, because our hotel is
Your
actually in
hotel-
the Central District.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She was super sweet, talked with us during the drive, and even gave us fruits after she found out we hadn't eaten anything since 7-Eleven.
Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa may Old England. Binigyan kami ng parang apple. Mark.
You wanna take a picture?
Yeah. Can you hold this?
We survived.
You want me to take your picture? Or...
Ito yung driver namin.
Okay.
Pakul
1,
niya.
2, 3, jump.
do it like a first one?
Yeah.
Okay, you learned something from me today.
Okay.
You want to do something?
Like that.
Like that, yeah, but you have to hold it. Like how many shots?
Ito yung binigay niya sa amin. I don't know what kind of fruit is this, but it's good.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ayun yung ano. Paano?
And then there's like the shoes.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I didn't even know. Even like,
There's another one.
I'm not familiar with it.
See, you learned something from me today.
Enjoy na enjoy ah.
Antique?
Antique.
Antique.
And the spelling is like antique.
Antique and I think it sounds like
Antique.
Antique,
Antique.
yeah.
Yeah, it's the same.
Hanoi Island.
You did?
Yeah.
You've been traveling like a lot.
Back with my husband. My husband got 2 kids. Yeah, hi. I have my vlog too.
You have your own blog too.
Yeah, I dream. Yeah, it's all about traveling.
Oh really?
Yeah,
I'm gonna
'cause
subscribe.
Because I'm a private guy.
Can you help me search for your name? She's not on her 30s.
I am.
I'm not gonna ask how old
I'm-
are you, but I'm just gonna assume you're in your 30s. So.
I'm 45 and turning 46 this year.
Really?
Yes.
You don't look like it. Because of the hair, you know?
It's not only hair, and I exercise.
You exercise a lot. And what's your
I-
diet?
I don't eat carb.
You don't
and,
eat carb?
I don't like carb because I exercise a lot. I do triathlon. I do
Triathlon.
like a mountain bike.
Oh, you
I
do?
do snowboard and then wakeboarding. A lot of
Eh,
So I
all
feel like I
sports.
eat carbs. It make my whole body just heavy, so I
Mm.
cannot move around easily. So I don't like it.
So what do you usually eat? Just more on protein source food?
Yeah,
Oh,
like
meat.
protein meat and tofu. I like tofu.
Yeah, I love
And then
tofu.
soy
Except
milk.
stinky tofu. I tried stinky tofu.
I can't. I can't.
You don't like stinky tofu
No,
either?
my friend like, you're not Taiwanese. I said, no, I'm not Taiwanese. I'm okay with that. No, I am not Taiwanese, but I'm okay with
Yeah.
that. Just, no, thank you.
Yun guys, punta tayo sa Old England. Ha, buti naman nakapag-carb up ako ng konti lang. Yung prutas lang kinain namin. So guys, so tingnan nyo dito. Ito yung Old England. Isa rin sa mga tourist spot dito sa Nantou. It's giving, Bridgeton. Tja! Bridgeton pala, yun pala yung, yung hinahanap ko ng word. Parang gusto ko, dito, tumira. Tapos ka dito, pag gising mo, para ka, Teka, picture ako muna si Yos. Diyan ka lang, Yos, ha? Teka, guys, picturean ko lang to. 1, 2, 3. Yan yung silver lining namin today, guys. So, kahit na ilang beses kami na nasiraan kami ng sasakyan, tapos nang buwisit pa kami sa isang tour. At the end, third attempt naman is naging maganda naman yung tour guide namin. So, yun yung silver lining. Ay nako. Hala. Galing na kuya.
Ibang language.
May sariling may sarili silang music video. Ito yung Old England. It's giving England.
And you can see a British guy here.
Yeah, that's a British guy. British guy yung ulo mo. Sa ngayong tour naman is parang nakapunta ka. Yung kasi, yung ito Old England, parang pumunta ka sa England. Yung sa Snow Mountain naman kanina is parang pumunta ka ng Canada. Tapos yung Kinching Farm kanina, parang ka nasa New Zealand. Oh, di ba? Parang three countries in one yung tour na to. And guys, so dito kami ngayon sa Family Mart. Nakain lang kami kasi hindi pa kami talaga nakakain. Kaya naman to yung binili ni Yos. Parang ham and cheese bread. Alam niyo guys, kung gusto niyo mag-tour or gusto mo pumunta ng Snow Mountain na tour, I highly suggest yung tour ni Esther. Tanong ko mamaya yung paano siya makontak. I think she's pretty cool. I highly suggest na siya na lang kukunin nyo. Wag doon sa meds. Buti nga lang nilipat kami. Can you tell us more how we can contact you if ever someone who needs like a tour here in Taiwan?
You can either contact me via Line, and my Line ID is 552 JOSHUA 52 Joshua. Joshua is my husband's name, and 52 in Chinese means I love. 我爱. Okay.
Why?
I need to keep telling myself that I love my husband. Otherwise, no. No, just joking. Or just Instagram, find me like Esther Cope, ESTHERCOLP.
You can follow her here. I just flash it here on the screen. So yeah, she's really cool. If there's anyone in Taiwan that you need like a tour guide, this is her. She's like the coolest person ever. And we only met like on the last trip of our tour today. So yeah.
Almost like end of the tour.
Yeah, almost like the end of the tour.
As we drove back, we were just vibing with Esther, chatting about life, travels, and how insane this day was. From our van breaking down, our schedule getting totally wrecked, and missing the top of the Snow Mountain, to meeting kind strangers, laughing through the mess, and somehow still having the best time. And honestly, that's what makes a real adventure, the kind of story you'll actually tell. But more importantly, please triple check your ride. We arrived at Taichung Station, said our goodbyes to Esther, who unknowingly helped us survive this trip.
That was a really smooth ride. Yeah,
Good, right?
you're a really good driver.
I think so. I think I'm better than most men.
Like 100 miles, and it was
Yeah,
like
yeah.
so smooth.
I always train myself to
Expressway.
don't let people feel.
Yeah,
Like just
yeah,
slow
yeah.
to be faster, slow to slow down.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye, Esther.
Take care.
Take care. Sakit ng ulo ni Yos sa altitude sickness. Ako naman, hindi ako makarinig. Ang sakit ng tenga ko. Pauwi na kami ng hotel and we're probably gonna rest for a day. So that was our tour, snow tour today. So it was a disaster. Naging masaya. We've seen snow for the first time. We went to Old England. So thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you again on the next episode. Bye bye. Yay! Ang ganda guys. Inaamoy akong tae.